don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Super Sport 0. I'm joined by Zwedi Abdul.
Thank you, brother. What kind?
Aye, all is well.
All is well, brother.
Can't complain.
No. Hey, I hear the brother this side.
Yeah.
Marketing. Yeah, no. Don't worry, I'll buy your ticket. Very quickly. You don't need to do that, brother. we are here for you. We'll prepare lunch box. Yeah, don't worry.
You don't understand.
Boiled eggs, brother. Yeah.
14 is going.
Yo. Don't say that, brother. Trouble. That one.
Room, you know what I mean?
I never. Where will you sleep? Imagine, brother. Where are you going to sleep? You're 40.
You won't sleep.
You won't sleep.
You are.
What way? You won't sleep. Brother.
14 rounds.
You're 14. Brother. No. Trouble in paradise. Come back to life, brother. Hey. Some things you don't say them, brother. Yeah, he'll give us a choke slam that side. 14 times. Yeah, I know. Yeah, yo, great Kali. Great Kali. Yeah.
Yes.
What's wrong with him? Yeah? No. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates for playing their game in hand.
Yeah.
At least one success for Manhla Ncikazi. It was a draw, and this one a win. Yeah, we don't play like Nabi.
Lose draw.
Yeah, we are not RG. We are not Kotley. We are a bit consistent. I like Manhla Ncikazi, you know. He's very humble. That man. He has a beautiful English. A graduated English. Unlike our fellow brother Nabir. Doesn't need a translator when he wins. But when he loses, he needs a translator. So you just round off to the nearest mother tongue. When you can't be angry in English, you just round off in your nearest mother tongue. Pega, even long can be. You can't be speaking English. You will speak English, but I'll say round off. Obviously. But anyway, this league, just disappeared. And congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for lifting Happy Bubbly. That trophy, shame. We just left everything in God's hands. No. Happily there. No. Anyway, it's just one of those, you know. But what can we say? It's a mile.
It's gone.
It's gone.
You only realize no.
I woke up late. Relax.
Menyaranka interviewed them here. Quickly never
I don't want to cry in front of people.
He was in Arab. He went to Arab.
You could have also said you have a business.
No. Don't worry, brother. I didn't want to cry in front of people, man. Tears all over my eyes. I was crying, brother. Everything was happening.
Don't cry. Say you are a businessman.
Yes, brother.
I have
Business of tears.
I'm a businessman.
I can't be doing. Yeah.
If I cry, I will lose investors.
Please, can you switch off this interview? Delete it. Yeah, please. Kalikupa.
businessman.
Akithi step iba chuko di interview tsa bona mara. Khotman, sa ke bona skukune santi step a jano. Please. Kupu I delete. Kupu I delete. Stibo. Ki serious ne? Ki serious. Cameraman kupu I delete. Ki serious. Why should Tobe Jalo what football can kill you real death? And indeed that was death. Yeah, because Riboni Lintatemlota again amol. I want to be a celebrity. He just disappeared. No, when we lose, we stand united, you know. Even with our feelings, we just try and control them, you know. Yeah, because football is football. At the end of the day, it will humble you, or it will make sense to you, or it will make bring joy, you know. So it's one of those feelings. So you just need to be emotionally intelligent. So some of us we just disappear, but we come back again. You know, we cry in the little cages, running our business. But anyway. I thought Mandla Ncikazi was coaching with a death certificate, you know.
Death?
Yeah. Because
not careful.
No.
Death.
At some point, I don't know, the subs, I don't know, sometimes maybe you just lose it, you know. Psychologically, I think some things were just lost. You know, after Rivero just left. Yeah, psychologically the boys just disappeared, you know. No. I'm saying it's just that we don't know what he's doing. He himself, asiboni next season asimboni. Siyacela please abasheshe please. Pre-season yethu sifuna mhlambe eGermany or mhlambe somewhere le boma Spain futhi if it's going to happen like that. Yabona. So the boys have lost the confidence, and obviously with the loss here Nedbank Cup Ibabulele, and there's nothing to play for. It's just me collecting points and just making sure go to number 2. But number 2 we're already there. I catch us if you can. We tried even Kaizer Chiefs. We asked them to catch us if you can, but they can't. Yeah. Bakhuluma kakhulu ne bapha abanye. Sibizi top 8 manje. Brother. Yeah, please man, quickly. Can we mention the top 8? It is Sundowns, Pirates, Stellenbosch, Sekhukhune, Amazulu, Chippa, TS Galaxy, and the others.
Where is Kaizer Chiefs?
Number one.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Versus Kaizer Chiefs.
Number 1. No, number 9.
Yeah.
Number 9.
You see?
Number 9.
Yes, brother.
Do you know the Betway Premiership has offered 84 points? You know there are some teams that didn't collect even half of them, the points. They didn't even collect 42 points, half of 84.
Half of it.
I don't know. Chiefs didn't collect 42 points.
Yes. 31.
Since from September to 31 points.
We close the shop, brother. If we close that shop, if you can't make profit like that, we close the shop, brother. Quickly, it's a chai. It's a chai, brother. We can't even collect half of it. It's a loss, serious one. It's done. You know. That's why we say next season, man, they must try and pull up their socks. You know, Sundowns can't be doing this to us. We can't be experiencing one and the same thing. For how long? So we must dethrone this Sundowns, man. Dethrone this. No, we can't dethrone Kaizer Chiefs.
They already dethroned.
From number 9 spot.
Imagine. Where are they going? Relegation. We can't dethrone them. They are fine there. They must do it next season. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. They must remain in that position.
Maybe what are we now?
Tell this one is a chameleon. Now he loves Sundowns. This one is a chameleon. My man of the match.
Yeah, man of the match.
Man of the match. I didn't see any. No. I will give it to Udladla. Yeah, I played very well. Clean sheet. More clean sheets than Bafuma.
Yeah.
In all games that he played, he has never conceded a goal.
Yeah.
Like Tapelo Morena.
Nice.
Like Mosalibu.
And happy birthday to him.
To who?
Udladla, man. Akakhulu umfana.
What birthday for?
Yeah, it's turning 24. The future is looking bright. Yeah. Already.
Brother, they say you love Sundowns, they will give you a ticket to America.
Never, brother, don't worry. Chop money. Don't release, brother, chop money. You don't want to. The camera is live. My wife will see that I got money.
Thank you, man.